I'm here today in Broadway. This is we call Broadway. This is a Broadway Bayon, and I came from our house in 21st Street only, and we walk with my dog. So look at the camera. We walk together. Okay, he's my dog, and we are going to maybe 16th Street. Before 16th Street, came from 21st Street, and we pass by here, and there's a table, and we can sit down here first before we're going to proceed to 16th Street. Bayon, I think you consider Bayon. Okay, we're in Bayon. So the reason that I go to my car and my car is not in my house today is because earlier I brought it to the Firestone Auto Shop, and in Firestone Auto Shop they changed oil, they changed the gasket of the Honda Ridgeline, and gasket, they said there's a leak in the oil. So the cost of the part is just only 250 maybe, like that, all is done. But their labor cost is 540, like that. So the labor really here is expensive, but that's fine. So I'm going to get now my car from the Firestone, because earlier when I go there I use my other car. I cannot bring it home because of the reason is I cannot drive two car. So now I'm going to get it. Let's go there. No, over here. Let's go there. So this is the location of where we are in Broadway. Come on.
دخل عليه هذا.
So we are now here in 19th Street, Broadway. This is 19th Street. And this is what the Broadway Bayon looks like. Chocolate lovers, Del Aguila. Okay. I think we are close now because of the time today is 10 o'clock at night. So I'm here now, and where is it now? 17. Okay, so I think there's a hardware here also. So I think until here for now. Maybe to this side still going to look more. Maybe to blocks more for my car. Thank you.